Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your automatic on and off start system when stopped. So basically it's that system where, say you stop at a stoplight and then your engine automatically turns off and then it turns itself on again when the light changes. You can enable that or disable that function in this car. So while the vehicle's on, it's going to be this A off button here. It's your automatic start stop system. So while this is lit, it's turned off, and then you click it again, it's now activated. The main purpose of that system is to conserve gas. That way, figure if you're stopped at a stop sign or stop light for an extended period of time, it's just helping conserve gas. But you just activate it or turn it off, it's just pushing this button. So again, while this is lit up, that means that system is turned off. And then while it's not lit up here, that means that it will activate that turn on and off system while stopped. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.